Our presence here is testament that we are here for the long haul. Mukituona hivyo, we are here for the long haul to accomplish the one-term mission. Na mimi kama vile the SG Asha amesema hapo awali, the United Opposition gave us some responsibility to address the issue of restorative justice to the many Kenyans who have suffered under the hands of William Ruto. And we are moving. I want to assure you that we are moving. We are making progress. It's only that we have to establish robust systems that Kasongo and his various teams cannot frustrate. Because we do not believe that those mothers, fathers, brothers and sisters who today, up to now, do not know where their loved ones are. There are others who know that, yes, they were killed. But there are others who don't know where their kin are. But William Ruto, because he's a guy who likes theater, he likes theatrics, is on record standing before the entire world saying that hata wale ambao walikuwa wameshikwa tumerudisha kwa familia zao. Tukamuuliza, kama umewarudisha unajua pahali walikuwa, kwa hivyo unajua ni nani alikuwa amewashika, na wale ambao wameua wewe unataka tu kwa sababu hii one term. I've always continued to add, Ruto, you must answer for these crimes. It cannot be business as usual. We must make it absolutely clear to anybody and every Kenyan, no matter what station of life you may be, no matter what office you hold, that you cannot take away human life and fail to account. You must be held accountable. Na ndio tumesema, na watu wanaona kama mzaha, and I like what my good sister mother said, we must restore the rule of law. It is not enough that we will actually, because I think you Kenyans, what I've heard Patrick Muturi, PK, we used to call him PK Muturi, Mheshimiwa, say, if you see any of us, akiteleza, huyo mjue ni nani? Msaliti. Can we resolve that at this kongamano la PLP? That mukiona mmoja wetu akiteleza, huyo atakuwa nani? Msaliti. We want to tell you, we are united, and we don't want to be told by William Ruto ati ajenda ni gani. And I like what my brother Rigiji says. Hakuna haja ati tukuambia ati iko hii ni manifesto. No. The first thing, one term. Second thing, one term. Third thing, one term. Yangu ya nne, ICC ama committee. And I say that without any fear of contradiction, because what William Ruto has done to this country has never been done by any other leader. This place, State House, is supposed to be a seat of power, isn't it? na